Hey there. Looks like you're here to learn how to remove the background from your image. Great news. You're in the right place. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you 2 easy ways to do it. Step by step, so you can get it done hassle-free. Let's dive in. Way 1. Using Remove.bg. Free and easy. First, head over to the Remove.bg website by typing Remove.bg into your browser. Once you're on the site, click Upload Image and choose the photo you want to edit. The background will be removed automatically in seconds. When it's ready, hit Download to save your new image. And that's it. Your background-free image is ready to use. Way 2. Using Canva, paid option. Next, if you're using Canva and have a paid subscription, removing backgrounds is a breeze. Upload your image to Canva, start a new design, and choose Custom Size. Select your photo, then click the Background Remover tool. In just one click, the background disappears. Download your final image, and you're all set. See, removing image backgrounds is quick and easy with these tools. Try them out and let me know which one you prefer in the comments below. If you found this helpful, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more time-saving tips. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.